the Rasputin program. Building is, I think it's this building is accompanied with by cardinal points. Program on Rasputin that we just did. That's a picture of this building coming underneath the bridge here. That's cardinal points playing with it.
All right. Oh no. Extreme fisting.
The United States government, and I suspect in every department of most major cities right now, the plan that's...
So Spiritual's tour in the US then? New York gig was as early as it was.
CNN, my colleague Judy Woodruff joins us from Washington. Judy?
Yeah.
Aaron, we've been watching this here in the Washington Bureau.
Do you know people there?
Now, just a few blocks from the Capitol, from the United States Capitol. And the
You
first
phoned
thing
them, or tried to.
I want to tell you is that everyone, I'm sure, on their minds is God. Near Pittsburgh in Pennsylvania, it is just a story for which there are no words to describe. Here in Washington, we are keeping a very close watch on the Pentagon. You've been reporting, Aaron.
They're completely knocked down.
And other CNN correspondents, a plane as a result of this crash, and then collapsed. These are some of the pictures we've been bringing our audience from the Pentagon. We've watched people being treated by first aid personnel there. We have no information yet on the number of
I don't know. I don't think we had it on it, but you probably left. Did you leave a message?
May have died in this incident, although emergency personnel on the scene have said surely there have been casualties there.
Did you have
now saying that
everything all right?
Tell me the number
as far as we're
93
concerned?
has crashed in Pennsylvania. Now I don't.
Just the end of the world. That's all.
A flight from Newark, New Jersey to San Francisco. Now we don't know if this is the same airplane that Aaron was reporting a little earlier crashed in Somerset County near Pittsburgh. Aaron had reported.
How are you? Okay, nice.
Green Charles? Yeah.
Что? Хорошо. Please, we've got 240 volts here.
220 and 240, I see it.
It is 220.
Make it sexy.
I don't think I want to see that. John Balance and Coil gets sexy with the sandwich.
Fish, I can't do that.
Like snatch sandwich, isn't it?
Snaps. Gag. Oh, that stag sandwich. That's right over the one.
What's this volume?
Machine oil.
Huh?
Machine oil. Yeah.
I see.
Oh, it's so industrial.
That's the whole point. That's the box. Grey black slammy.
You got breasts?
Yeah.
Oh no.
She's growing some.
Look at breasts.
Oh, disgusting
breasts.
bastard. I haven't got breasts. My stomach. No
Oh.
breasts there.
It's all going on.
Let's have a look, shall we? Let's have a look. Let's have a
Break your fingers and you'll play keyboards.
fucking slap me in the ass.
Around my ear.
Alright.
And who'd be sorry then? You would.
The backing track right now will come out on my level, but it'll be on the other ones on the day.
That looks brilliant, though. If you walk on like that, it'd be brilliant. I've tried this before and I put it down in pants, it doesn't work.
Looks good.
You got a towel.